Unfollow Promotion. You can create this promotion if you want to unfollow all your followers automatically. This promotion will be helpful when you have mistakenly deleted your keyword promotion or copy follower promotion. Also, if your account had gone through some technical issue, you had to reconnect your Twitter account with Tweetful. Please note that if you are already running any keyword promotion or copy follower promotion, you don't have to create this unfollow promotion since you would have already enabled the setting unfollow after. In promotion name, you can use any name according to your wish. In whitelist keywords, you can mention any keywords according to your requirements so that accounts with those keywords in their bios will not be unfollowed by our tool. In don't unfollow who are following me, you can either tick the checkbox according to your requirement. For the remaining settings, we recommend you not to tick any checkboxes. If you want to add any settings to the remaining list, you can do so according to your requirements. Once you have completed all the above steps, click on Save All and your promotion will be created. Why leave major settings unchecked? We knew that after you had gone through the suggestions on creating your promotion, the first question that would have popped up in your mind is, why skip majority of the setting? Yes. There is some concrete reason for it. Whenever you select a setting in the promotion and enable it, you have voluntarily created a barrier in accessing tweets and Twitter accounts. Each setting has some criteria, and based on that, only our tool filters the tweets and Twitter accounts. Giving one or two settings is fine, but when you almost enable majority of the settings, you have artificially created lots of barriers. As a result of it, a majority of the tweets and Twitter accounts will be skipped. Also, in the end, when majority of the tweets and Twitter accounts are skipped, only a few users whose tweets are liked or their accounts are followed will visit your Twitter account. And when very few people visit your Twitter account, it's quite obvious much more lesser people will only follow your Twitter account. So the entire hurdle you had artificially created would have a very big impact at the end when looked at your conversion rate. After years of trial and error and various research by our technical team, we came up with the above suggestions. So we strongly recommend you to follow the above guidelines, and by following so, we are very sure that you will be able to see better conversions in the end. What if there are no good conversions even after creating promotions with the above suggested settings? Yes, there are high possibilities for that even after you have created a promotion with the above suggested settings. And the topmost reason for it could be due to the poor credibility of your Twitter account. But how to increase your Twitter account credibility? The first thing you have to do is fill up all the Twitter profile details like geolocation, age, description, email, mobile number, profile picture, etc. The second thing you have to do is tweet according to your followers' interests. We want you to tweet more instead of retweeting other tweets, as retweeting others' tweets won't be considered as a tweet by Twitter. We strongly recommend you to tweet at least one tweet per day. By doing this on a regular basis, Twitter will assume your account as a genuine user, and as a result of it, your Twitter account credibility increases. When your Twitter account credibility increases, we can increase your settings to a higher limit, and so you can expect a full-fledged activity and better conversion rate. Yes, we are almost done now. A few more information that we want to share with you are here. Whenever you create a promotion, our tool starts working on it only after 1 or 2 hours. The main reason for the delay is that once you have created the promotion, our tool will start analyzing your Twitter account credentials and credibility. Based on that, our tool will begin to work according to your promotion. The second thing that we want to tell you is that about the unfollow cycle that we set up in the keyword promotion and copy follower promotion. Follow cycle and unfollow cycle doesn't work parallelly. Once the follow cycle gets over, then only the unfollow cycle starts. There are various technical reasons for that, since not all the Twitter accounts will be followed by our tool, since every Twitter account in Twitter would have been created with various privacy settings, and it takes time for some users to manually accept the follow request given by our tool. The same thing follows for the like cycle and unlike cycle too. So you don't have to be confused about why Twitter accounts that are followed by our tool are not being unfollowed according to the settings you had created in the promotion. We have reached the end. What's now? We have been working intensively in Tweetful since Twitter keeps coming up with some new rules, and we have been continuously working on those rules and updating our policy according to Twitter so that we can deliver the best and satisfy our customers who have subscribed to our platform. As mentioned in the start, time has been the most predominant factor. Delivering the expected activity to our customers in the given time frame is the topmost priority by Tweetful. We want to mention this quote at this moment where Rome wasn't built in a day. The reason why we are saying it here is that nothing happens overnight, since we have been relying on genuine Twitter accounts that had been created by various users across the globe, and we work on helping our customers earn genuine followers and grow their Twitter account organically. We strongly recommend you follow the above guidelines, and once you have started to implement those guidelines in a span of 6 to 8 weeks, we assure you that you will reap more gains through your Twitter account.